Today we will be showing you how to remove air bubbles after loading viscous materials like petroleum jelly or vaseline when using heads like the Krakatoa or Tambora. First, remove the cartridge from the head and load it with your material. Push the material into the reservoir while pulling the plunger back. Once the cartridge is filled, screw the brass nut down until it's inserted into the cartridge, and then attach the end cap. Clean off any excess material. Install the cartridge into the head upside down or inverted, and tighten the screws to lock it into place. Set the head to a temperature that will allow the material to melt. For petroleum jelly, we use 45 degrees Celsius. Allow the material to sit long enough for bubbles to stop rising to the top, and then let it cool and solidify. After the material cools, attach the nozzle and end cap. And then load the reservoir normally by removing the top end cap and inserting the cartridge from below. Reattach the top end cap and then clamp the cartridge in place. Now we'll run a G-code program to make 4 1-gram deposits. For more information, please visit Hyrel3D.com.